About 90 University of Cape Town engineering and built environment students took time out from their classroom studies as they joined forces with a construction company which is building RGP houses in Delft to experience what it means to work in the construction industry. We spoke to some of these students.
I'm an honours student at GCT and I'm part of the Construction Economics Management Department. And this week we're at the Combuild that we do every single year. So the Combuild is more for the first years. So when they come into the degree, every year they take a week out of their September holiday and we come and we do a community build. So this week, this year, Abe every year comes in and volunteers to become leaders. So I'm the chairperson of the actual society, and we come to places like Delft and we help out with whatever public project they're doing to help a hand and to actually get more insight on how the construction industry works.
I went on exchange when I was in grade 11, and where I went to Italy and I saw the infrastructure, the architecture, and I thought to myself I really want to get involved with that and actually be a part of making, because the way they construct their buildings is quite unique. So I thought to myself that if I could bring that to South Africa, not exactly replicate, but find our unique way of building and the way our buildings actually look, I'd be really happy with that.
I guess how I know basically how the public sector works is that your lowest tender wins. So that is not necessarily the best quality that is produced on site. So I think government should actually step up and take more initiative in terms of handling the tendering process, handling quality control, quality management, and just make sure that the people actually staying in the house can actually stay in a decent house for at least 10 years.
Infrastructure in South Africa is not great, and I really want to be a part of increasing that into a more positive influence to the South African. The main problem is that the funds aren't there because of the structures in the government. It's quite tough to allocate funds for RDP housing, and that's sort of the alternative. It's definitely the political side is definitely putting pressure on the construction. So we don't necessarily have investment from abroad coming into South Africa that helps quite often, but it definitely puts pressure on the RDP housing situation.
Justin Foreman from Blue Moon Project, which serves as a middleman between the university and VHP Holdings, the construction company which took in the students as volunteers, had this to say to upcoming students.
I always felt that anybody deciding to do construction is to actually partake in the field. If you're a matric student, volunteer. Spend 2 months at a company or a month at a company. No matter what that company is, spend that time, learn what it's about, see what you're getting yourself into, deciding if you like it.
I say do it. I have a philosophy, face everything head on. Whether it's hard, it just takes hard work and consistency. It doesn't matter how long it takes you, but if you keep working at it, you will do it.
As Junior said, this industry is for everyone. If you're a female wondering if you can make a difference in the construction industry, take a leap of faith and see what you can achieve. Reporting for our City News, I'm Vuyiseka Jantyi.